Who are you to tell me who to be? I be walking on the moon, off the shrooms and the lean. Got a grip on the world, I'm okay with who I am. I feel free, watch me soar, I love counting up the ends. It's gonna be a good day, I'ma have a good day, cause I had a long night. Rolling with my niggas and they never switching sides. Smoke a OZ, man, I love to get high. Yeah, new whip, too quick for them fuck niggas. Can't vibe with you, I don't even fuck with you. Like a bad dream, felt like I was stuck with you. But now I'm up, and you wanna fall in love, how I feel, man, I'm feeling great. Yeah, roll it backward, take it to the face. Remember I was down, but I wanna race. Yeah, I left my town, pull up in a race.
Alright, so me and my room this.
Sure.
We're basically just gonna blow this when they're trying to golf and hopefully get some good reactions.
Stop.
Bro, you're gonna make it Andrew. Stop, no, Andrew.
That's what it was doing.
No, it wasn't. Stop. Got the air horn. I got it. So we only did one buddy over here. Just why? So buddy over here drove away and is going to get gas now, and we're not going back. So we only got one in. So now we're going to Hannaford's and we're going to moan in people's ears.
I'm not moaning in anybody's ear.
Yeah, we are. I guarantee the next clip will be me moaning in someone's ear.
Surprise me. Sorry, who are you? Sorry, who are you? I'm sorry. Can I help you with something?
Alright guys, right now I'm meeting up with Kai Kai Crusher and we're going to go to the golf course and blow the air horn some more. Nein. He goes, serious dude? Go. Drive. What is he saying? What? Huh? Turn it out the window.
In a Tesla, nigga rubbing on my thighs with some ketchup. Bitch, I'm gay, so you know that I am next up. I got dildos, I got lube, what you want, son? My dick small, you act like you ain't noticed. Put my dick inside his mouth, he started choking. That dick in me, bro, that shit got me moaning.
Well, don't tell me what to do. Well, don't tell me like what to do. Yeah.
If you want to know how to get to college,
Well, like, how do I get there? But just don't tell me what to do. It's kind of like a dick move. What? Dude. I'll ask someone else for help. Whatever. Where? Well, don't tell me what to do. They actually let you draw on this stuff though?
Yeah, I mean, we get arrested if we wrote something terrible.
Yeah, I was gonna come over here and draw a big penis, but
Yeah,
now that I know,
not a good idea.
yeah, it'd be still funny though. It might make it even funnier, but imagine if we did it on there, how funny that'd be. Really? How do you say me, like, we do that like dark, like maybe 11, draw dicks all over it.
If you can get up there, go ahead.
You wanna?
Do it.
You down?
No. No, I don't do silly things like that.
Silly.
Yeah.
The dick. It'd be hilarious.
Some people love them. I'm not the biggest fan.
Oh, I'm not not a big fan of dick either. Just, you know, it's funny.
You just want to see them every day.
Yeah. Maybe we can like connect. See that like little circle right there? We can probably connect another ball to that. Just draw all the way up.
Man, you saw a lot about penises.
Yeah.
It's all good, man.
Yeah.
Good for you, dude.
No, I'm not fucking gay.
It's okay if you are.
No, I was just saying it'd be funny. Imagine having to drive by and see a big old penis on top of that shit.
So, the that black truck, not the black truck, the black car right there. That's the parking lot. That's a parking enforcement person.
Yeah.
And you're parked in the electric parking spot.
Oh shit.
You're gonna. They won't even give you a ticket. They'll just write your parking, your license plate number.
Fuck me in the ass.
And they'll send you something.
Fuck me in the ass.
Just
That's
so you
not
know.
good. Yeah. Huh, thanks, man.
Yeah.
I was just like, so what do you say we draw some penises on this stuff? And the guy's just like, that's probably not a good idea. And I was like, you want to do it with me? Meet up at 11 o'clock, you draw a big old penis on the statue?